Alright, fans of spicy stuff, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you again with another spicy noodle mukbang. So today, yeah, it has nothing remotely related to South Korea. Mukbang is, I believe, a Korean word. So yeah, this is from India. This one, we're doing another one of these Maggi Hotheads. This one's the barbecue pepper. They've got a scale of 4 of them. From mildly hot, hot, very hot, and super hot. This one is the hot. So yeah, it should have some good kick to it. We'll see. And oh, I wanted you to check out this image here. I found this on a sachet of instant noodles that came from Taiwan. I'm gonna make a t-shirt of it, so I want to see if I can get it in. If you go to the ramenrater.com, if you look on the menu thing, there's a thing that says merch. I think I'm just gonna change it to t-shirts because it's a Zazzle shop. I don't make really anything off of it, but you know, hey, you know, if you want a t-shirt, that's neat. All right, anyways, yeah, let's get cooking. Alright, so here we have it. We have this bowl of noodles from India. They came out pretty quick. They've cooled down a little bit, so I'm only seeing just like a little amount of more sauce than broth, but there's a pretty decent amount of noodles. Yeah, so shall we commence? So what I've been doing lately is taking a sip of some kind of beverage before I start doing this, and it kind of helps with the possibility of getting the hiccups. Well, guess you forgot this time. It's definitely a black pepper hit. That much is certain. I don't know how much I like this one, honestly. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. Those are some of the myriad of neighbors that we have out there that yammer and yammer and yammer. I mean, they can't shut up and they talk about nothing. Man, it's infuriating. But, you know, what can you do? The noodles I like. I've liked all the noodles in this series. I generally like Maggi noodles. I'm really interested in trying the there's some, like, I think Maggi Malaysia oat noodles that I really want to check out. But honestly, first off, it's black pepper. As far as barbecue goes, I don't know where that's coming from. As far as the flavor of this goes, honestly, it's rather off-putting. I don't like it. The peri peri, I loved that one. That was very tasty. This, it just kind of has an effect to it that just makes me like get annoyed really quick. It's just like, why? What is this flavor? What is it for? Who is it for? I'm trying to think what you could put in it to make it better. I mean, some chicken, onion, you know. Has kind of a black pepper burn to it, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I've had quite a few different varieties of black pepper spicy noodles, and this one is just like just not rocking the house. That's as far as I'm getting. I'm not drinking the broth. Although, as you can see, there's really not much of a broth situation to be drunk of. So thoughts on this one? Not really impressed. Not really into it. Although, there's one left that I haven't had. I haven't had the chili chicken, I think. There's the chili chicken, there's the green chili, there's the peri peri, and then there's this, which is the barbecue one, barbecue pepper. And yeah, so for now, that's all. And this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Yeah, I'm gonna get to the Japanese one, don't worry. I'm just kind of like, I want to do it right. I want to be completely ready. I need to get in a Zen moment. All right, have a good one. Bye.